Hello everyone, welcome to our Hearty Eat series brought to you by the Heart Foundation of Jamaica. We have some exciting and fun-filled sessions where we will be showing you simple, creative ideas on how to use locally grown fruits, vegetables, herbs, and other Jamaican foods to make heart-healthy meals, snacks, and beverages. Get your chef hats on and your cooking skills ready to take on the kitchen. Stay tuned as we jump right into things.
Alright, hi, I'm Kemar,
I'm Xavier.
and today we'll be doing gourmet popcorn and showing you the different ingredients that you can use to bring your popcorn to life. Alright, so here we'll be using honey and cinnamon powder.
And I'll be using cayenne pepper, lime juice, and olive oil.
So you're going to use a spoon and gently just glaze the popcorn, you know. Need any more?
Maybe.
Alright. And then you just sprinkle a little cinnamon powder. We just blow it about okay. Toss. And there you have it. Honey and cinnamon gourmet popcorn. Over to you now, Xavier.
Alright, so for my popcorn, it's got a little spicy kick, right? So we got your cayenne pepper, your limes, and your olive oil. First, I'm going to take the olive oil and pour a little bit over it. Now, not too much. It's only to help the rest of the spices adhere to the popcorn. Next, I'll add some cayenne pepper. This will give it a nice kick. As much as you want to add in there, as spicy as you would like to make it. And then, for the final touch, squeeze the lime to get all the juices out.
Nice.
And toss up the popcorn. So you continue shaking it up for a few more seconds, let everything soak in, and then there you have it, your gourmet popcorn. And you can use any such flavors such as cheese or chopped up herbs or anything that your heart desires to nice up your popcorn and give it a good flavor.
For this and more heart-healthy recipes, visit our website at www.heartfoundationja.org, on Instagram at heartfoundationja, and on Facebook at Heart Foundation Jamaica. Do enjoy!